truly remarkable. But it's also an intangible reward. It comes with finally taking care of your mental issues, of living your best life, and embracing adventure. Yes, there's so much